have I got the ultimate package for you. You've already seen combination package 1, you've seen the combination package 2 and the combination package 3. If you haven't, go and see them. They are great combo packages. You're going to save loads of money instead of buying all the parts separately. But the next package, believe it or not, we're not going to call it Ultimate Package 4. We are going to call it So I've decided to call this package the Apache package because I think she looks like an Apache helicopter. There's something about it. When the lights are on, she looks like an Apache. So let's start running through all the bits. So every single part I'm going to show you on my bike, you can buy it all individually on the website. But I'm going to put this together for you now as a combination package. And if someone wants to go for it, then you're going to save loads of money. You're going to get all the bits, fully loaded, everything on there. So in this package, you're going to get the D4s, the mount for the D4s, the DR1s, the DMs with the little brackets that fit onto the side of the fender for the DMs. You're also going to get the sound bomb, and we're going to give the rear light. Now let's see if I can make this one work. Denali B6 brake light. I've got this set 10%, the minimum brightness to go underneath here, and that's already brighter than the standard rear light. And when you hit the brake light, I think I've got that set to about 40%, so it goes even brighter than that. And that's all programmable through the app, which is you just log on to with your computer, plug it into the CAN Smart through a USB, and you program exactly how you want that to work. You can make it flash. I'm going to do another video on this, so if you go and actually click onto the B6 brake light on the website and click on the video link, if there's not one there, it's because I haven't done the video yet, but if you go to that link, if there's a video there, you'll see a full featured video exactly explaining how this works, so you can see all the features on there. You can have it strobing, flashing, all that sort of stuff, depending on how hard you're braking. But that's the brake light. So let's power it up so you can see how this all comes together. So I've got this with the D4s and the DMs working simultaneously with each other. When I put the full beam on, you've got them coming on as well, the DR1s, which would give you over 1,000 yards of range. It's incredible. If you look at Package 3 deal, I talk a lot about the DR1s and the range and how far they go. So that is the DR1s, the D4s, the DMs. Flick your button 3 times and you get your strobe feature. You've seen my previous videos, I've said it over and over again, you will park traffic like a boss. If I show you the full beam, that's the Apache. Because the DMs are down here, we need an extension cable as well, which you can see on the website, the individual cost of that. That needs to come in this pack. So when you actually purchase this pack, when it arrives, you'll have everything to make it look exactly like this. Okay, you won't have to buy any extras. All you need to do is just install it onto your bike. And then for the sound horn, here we go. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up down below and subscribe to the channel. That would be fantastic. If you would like to see me doing more videos, doing things like test rides on new bikes, bringing new products to show you, to sample, and I really want this YouTube channel to grow. As you can see, we're quite small at the moment. We're in the 29th of November 2018. So if you're watching this from the future, then you can see that this is from the very humble, embryonic beginnings of a bike thing. So we're only quite small at the moment, but I really want to grow it. I've got a great passion for motorcycles. I've been riding a long time. I have a lot of experience. I appreciate there's lots and lots of people already out there on YouTube doing reviews, videos just like this. But if you like the look of me, the sound of my voice, and you think I come across well, and you'd like to hear what my opinion is, what my thoughts are on different products, different bikes, different helmets, you name it. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel and like me by giving me a thumbs up. That will then start the ball rolling for me to be able to find a way how I can do this full time, constantly, and also grow the A Bike Thing website so I can bring you more premium products at fantastic competitive rates. I'm Steve Abel from A Bike Thing. Thank you for watching.